we watch, we observe, and then we strike. Welcome to Crypto Strikers. My name is Frank, the channel you want to subscribe to for Bitcoin, altcoin, and other crypto analysis. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price. We're also going to take a look at Ethereum. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance as well. Bitcoin is coiling inside the symmetrical triangle as I'm speaking, and the price can either break up or it can break down, so it can go anyway. So you want to stick with me in this video to know the price target where I feel the Bitcoin will be heading to, not just on this smaller time frame but also in a bigger time frame as well. If this is your first time meeting me on this channel, you want to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell icon and give this video a thumbs up to support my channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video of today. Alright guys, so in this video, as you can see, Bitcoin is coiling in this symmetrical triangle that we have here, and we can either broke up or we broke down. So it's just two ways we can see in the price. We can see something like this, can have a broke up or a breakdown. So and this is going to happen within the next couple of hours. As you can see, the tip of this particular symmetrical triangle is around 6 a.m. 26th of September, 6 a.m. So once it gets to this particular point, the breakout must occur. So we are going to see either a breakup or a breakdown. And there's one thing you guys really need to know about this particular breakout. The volatility is that we are seeing here is very, 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 very strong. Why do I say that? Let's take a look at the Bollinger Band and see what I'm talking about. So now, right now, as you can see, look at the Bitcoin price. You can see the Bollinger Band that we have here is squeezing itself, and when we see the band of these Bollingers start squeezing, it means high volatility want to happen in the market. And when that volatility occur, it will go. We are going to see something like, something crazy. We're going to see something like this, going to see something like this, something very fast like this, or something like this as well. So any of both scenario can occur due to this Bollinger Band, because this band that is squeezing, the moment the price that we're seeing here, the moment it breaks out from this particular band that we have here, we're going to have a high volatility in the market, and that will push the price of Bitcoin to higher price target or a much more lower price target. So we want to keep an eye on this as well. We want to know where the price might be heading to. So my possible price target for this symmetrical triangle that we're seeing here, I believe that Bitcoin can do something like this. We can eventually do something like this. Let me bring out the price target for this symmetrical triangle so we can know. If we have a breakout, say somewhere around there, you're going to see a price target of 43,900, and which is almost 44k. And if the price eventually broke down, we're going to see something like this. Yeah, we're going to see something like this, which will take the Bitcoin price to 41,300 as well. So it can either go both ways. It can go both ways. It can either go up or it can go down. But in my humble opinion, I feel that we are going to get something like this. I feel we are going to get something like this. Let me bring out the CPRO line so we'll see what I'm about to say. Now this is what I'm trying to drive. We've been coiling in that particular symmetrical triangle that I just show you guys right now, but as you can see, we have the central CPRO line here at around 42,800 level. So even if there's a breakout, we're still going to take a wash at this 42,800 level. Otherwise, this central CPRO line that we have here can serve as a huge resistance in the price, and it can result into a fake out. We can see something like this. Let me bring that symmetrical triangle out back. Let me bring the symmetrical triangle out back, and you can see something like this in the price. You can see a breakout. Immediately a breakout can now see, the price will just reverse back. it turns into a fake out, and before you know, we have a massive dump in the price. But we don't like really hope for a fake out in this particular price that we're seeing here. We don't like really hope for a fake out. So but what I'm actually saying right here is that we want to take a very close look at this particular range, which is 42,800 to 42,900. The moment we break the 42,900 level, which is around here, that is when we can say, yeah, the Bitcoin price can eventually goes to a higher price target. So in case we have this breakout, here, keep an eye on the 42,800 level or 42,900 level for the Bitcoin price. You want to keep an eye on that, otherwise the price can just result into a breakout. Let me draw the symmetrical triangle back again. I think we have something like this, and we also have something like this that is like unfolding right now. So, and then this is on the 1 hour time frame. So we want to like keep an eye on this breakout. So once we have the breakout, keep an eye here. Don't jump into a trade because we have a breakout. Wait for a confirmation. Either we have a retest here back, and when we have another movement like this, when we have a retest like this, also another movement like this, we have another movement like this, okay, we have another movement like this upwards. Immediately we break out, we have a retest here, then we start moving to a higher level. Then you might want to place a trade somewhere above this particular line here. So don't like really jump into a trade because there is a breakout in the price of Bitcoin. Otherwise it can result into a fake out and you will get liquidated. So we want to keep an eye on this. So this is just like a quick update. I feel I should update you guys on where I feel the price of Bitcoin will be heading to. And we also want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance as well. In my previous video I talked about this Bitcoin dominance, where I said the dominance is in this descending channel, and we broke this descending channel. We have a retest in the channel as well, and then the price started moving in an upward direction, but not like a fast movement, but a very slow one. But we all know that if the price target of this descending channel really want to play out, it will take the Bitcoin price to the top of this channel, which is like 49% in the Bitcoin dominance. And 49%, if we take 49% in the Bitcoin dominance, if we take a measurement target from this particular range here where the price is now and move it up to like 49%, we can see that will have an impact in the Bitcoin price of like 17 to 19%. That will have an impact of like 17 to 19% in the Bitcoin price. And when we come back to the Bitcoin price and do 19% in the Bitcoin price from this particular range here, and we do 19% in the Bitcoin price in this particular range, we're going to see something like this. We're going to see something like this. Let me say from here, and then we look at 19%. Okay, and this is much more conservative. Let me do 19%. Let me measure it back again. 19% from here. You should see 19% from that particular point. You see, it's not like a coincidence. 19% leave the Bitcoin price around 51k from the current price right now that we see. It reads the Bitcoin price around 51k, and the 51k is in alignment with this CPRO line that we have here. You can see 19% give us an exact price target of this top CPRO line price target that we have here, which is sitting around 51,800. So we want to keep an eye on that as well. Also I also want to update you guys on the Bitcoin weekly time frame as well, because something interesting has been happening in the Bitcoin weekly time frame that not many YouTubers are not really paying attention to. So many persons are not really talking about it, but I've been saying it here on this particular video that we are seeing something like this unfolding in the price of Bitcoin that no YouTubers or any other person are really talking about. We are seeing something like this, you know, and the moment we eventually break out of this, the moment we eventually break out and break out, have a retest and start movement like this, this will eventually take the Bitcoin price to between $90,000 to $96,000 per one Bitcoin. So no any other person have been talking about this. Everybody is just talking about the current price of Bitcoin right now. If we are going to 29k or want to go to 50k or so, that is happening right now is that if we eventually break this particular trend line that we have here, which is sitting around 51k in the price, and then eventually breaks the all-time high of Bitcoin, we're going to see the Bitcoin price goes to this particular price target, and you guys will see. Let me quickly draw this. Okay, let me say we're going to see the Bitcoin price goes exactly to this particular price target, which is 74 to 75k, and this is just me being very super conservative. Now let's take a Fibonacci extension of the price of this weekly time frame and see if this will like really align with what I just draw here. Now let me take a Fibonacci extension from this swing low to the swing guy which we have here, and let me draw the extension so you guys will see. As you can see, me being like very super conservative, that if we have the breakout of this particular inverse head and shoulder, if we have it around here, you can see it's kind of like aligned with this Fibonacci extension line, which is sitting around 79k. So many persons are not really talking about this, and this can really play out in the price of Bitcoin. And we'll see Bitcoin goes to 90 to 95k. So you want to keep an eye on that as well. Also, you want to keep an eye on this Bitcoin dominance as well that I've been explaining since, and also the current price of Bitcoin regarding this symmetrical triangle that BTC is right now. All right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if this is your first time meeting me on this channel, click on the notification bell icon, subscribe to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace out.